Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4 series, where we will show you how to use DJI AS1 speaker. Before installation, make sure to clean the aircraft and its accessory. Check that the contact surfaces and screw holes are free from dirt, stickers, or any other coverings. Open the E-port protective cover and install the speaker to the top of the aircraft. Tighten the screws on both sides of the speaker. For long-term use, please use the tool provided in the package to ensure they are securely fastened. Power on the remote controller in the aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot 2. An activation page will pop up when using for the first time. Please follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Once you've updated the aircraft and remote controller to the latest firmware, follow the on-screen instructions to update all modules. When the app's homepage shows the speaker information, it means the speaker is successfully connected. Enter the camera view. When installing the speaker for the first time or replacing it, you need to calibrate the aircraft's compass. Tap the warning message, Calibrate Compass. Make sure not to touch the speaker during the calibration process to avoid calibration failure. Once the calibration is done, you'll be ready to use the speaker. Tap Speaker. Tap to talk, and you can broadcast in real time through the built-in microphone at the bottom of the remote controller. Tap Settings. Remote controller settings, customize RC buttons to set up a shortcut button for quickly starting and stopping real-time broadcasting. Tap the expand icon to change the speaker mode from broadcast in real time to select file to broadcast. Tap Create Recording to start capturing audio. Speak into the built-in microphone at the bottom of the controller to record your message. Tap in when you're done. Tap the headphones icon to listen locally, and the remote controller's built-in speaker will play back the recorded audio.
Attention please.
Tap the play icon to have the speaker play the recorded audio.
Attention please.
While it's broadcasting, you can enable loop play, adjust the volume, or stop the broadcast.
Attention please. Attention please.
Tap the rename icon to change the name of your recorded audio, making it easier to find and use next time after saving. Select Add Text-to-Speech. Type your message in the text box and tap Save. This will create a new audio file in the list. Tap the settings icon to adjust the voice, speed, and tone. Then, tap the play icon to have the speaker play the audio.
Attention please. Attention please.
Select Add Import File, and you can import audio from the remote controller's built-in storage or external microSD card to be broadcasted. Tap the play icon to play the audio.
This is DJI Enterprise. Please pay attention to safety.
Start by installing the spotlight on top of the aircraft and tighten the screws on both sides of the spotlight. Open the protective cover on the spotlight's top and place it upside down in the groove at the rear of the spotlight. Then, take off the adapter bracket from the bottom of the speaker and attach the speaker to the top of the spotlight. Tighten the screws on both sides of the speaker. For long-term use, please use the tool provided in the package to ensure they are securely fastened. Power on the remote controller in the aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot 2. When the app's homepage shows the spotlight and speaker information, it means they are successfully connected and ready for use. If the app prompts for calibration, you need to recalibrate the aircraft's compass. Make sure not to touch the speaker during the calibration process to avoid calibration failure. Once the calibration is done, you'll be ready to use the spotlight and speaker. Once the speaker is installed, the aircraft's performance might be impacted. Please be mindful of flight safety. Do not use the speaker at close range or in an urban area where noise-sensitive structures are concentrated, as the high volume could cause injuries. It is not recommended to play single-frequency sounds such as an alarm to avoid irreversible damage to the speaker. You can store the aircraft in the protector case with the speaker attached. When not in use, detach the speaker from the aircraft and store them separately in the case.